Right, I'm going to show you how to make chicken and vegetable pie. So let's get going. Right, these are all the ingredients. We've got minced chicken, salt and pepper, flour, Brussels sprouts, sweet corn, peas, garlic, mushrooms, carrot, onions, potatoes, chicken stock and mixed herbs. I'm not going to do a crust over the top of the pie. I'm going to use mashed potato to put on top. Right, first of all, have to peel the potatoes. This is going to take a while, so I shall carry on when we finish. And the next stage, we just cut them up into smaller chunks. And put them in plain water with a pinch of salt to soften up, so we can mash them. Right, next is to drain the water once the potatoes are nice and soft. A lot of steam coming off. Dry for a minute, drain, then we'll put them back in the pot. And we'll just cut them up a bit. Good. Then we'll add a little bit of milk. And some butter. And then mash. You might, yeah, I think add some more milk. It just makes it a little bit more creamier to taste. Right, the next step is to put some butter into the pot. And a little bit of oil. Let that melt. Then we put in some carrots, which are chopped up. Mix. Then some onions, which I've chopped up into little cubes. Mushrooms. Then peas and Brussels sprouts. Give it a good old stir. Let simmer for a minute. Then some sweet corn. And now we're going to put in some ground chicken. Just even it out a bit. There we go. And we just work that in. With the vegetables. Well, it's been a couple of minutes, so now we're just going to sprinkle some flour over the top. Just to thicken it up a bit. And we'll work that in. As you can see, the chicken's turned a whitish colour, so it's been cooked. And now we're going to add the chicken stock. In a bit. More. Good old mix. The parsley. A bit of garlic powder. Give that a good old mix. Yeah, give it a good old stir. And we're going to let that simmer slowly. And as you can see, it's still bubbling away there. And we'll put some in a dish and put some mashed potato on and stick it in the oven to just to show you what it's like. Well, this is going to be hot. So we put some in a dish with some gravy. Try and get a bit of every single vegetable. A bit more. Back it down. Then we get some mashed potato. And just place it on the top. I have washed my hands. And then, not too hot, we stick it in the oven. Yes, we stick it in the oven just to heat the top up. Make it a bit crispier on top. Well, I've put the chicken and vegetable in the little pots I brought, and I'm just putting the mashed potato on and then putting them in the oven. Right, they've all had the mashed potato put on the tops of the chicken and vegetable, and all the little cups sealed, ready for give to the monks. Right, I just got the pies out the oven, all ready to give to the monks. Kai pie.
Go.
Really hot. Is there one more?
Huh?
One more? That it?
ไม่อยู่ไปน้ำแล้วไปทางโจ้ก็เลยนั้น
Kai chicken pie.
โอเค ขอบคุณค่ะ
Hold on. Kai pie. Hello, Lockie.
Hey, what?
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday, you.
It's not birthday. It's chicken and vegetable.
Huh?
Chicken and vegetable pie.
Oh.
Yeah, coffee.